Hello, today I'll be telling you if Disney Plus can detect screen recording. So it all depends on the screen recording, the software and the browser you use. The settings can always be tweaked to bypass the anti-screen recording Disney uses. However, screen recording is illegal and there are other ways for your friends to watch TV shows and movies. The easiest way is to just use SharePlay. So all you have to do is go on your iPhone, iPad, or an Apple TV, and you can create a shared streaming experience on Disney Plus. It is an implemented feature by Disney. Or you can just get a browser extensions for group watching any TV show or a movie. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.